Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Casper Glow Light and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now, there's one of two reasons that you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you just cannot get these lights connected or synced with the app or with your devices or things like that, if it's not working right, a good troubleshooting step is to do a factory reset. Now, you're going to need to set everything up again because it will all be wiped off. And that's really the second reason you might want to do this. If you want to get it off your app, delete it off your app, or just get it set up in a new home or whatever, and you just want it back to the way it was when it came out of the box so you can set it up fresh, we can do that really simply. So you'll know that there's the button on the bottom and on the top of the light, so you can do either of these buttons. It doesn't matter. What you need to do for the factory reset is press and hold one of those buttons, doesn't matter which one, and whichever one you're pressing and holding, the other one you're going to press 6 times. And if you press it 6 times while holding the other one, that will initiate a factory reset, which will remove it from any groups, it will restore the default settings, it will wipe its pairing history and everything like that, and you can set it up as a new light.